Hello students, and welcome to the new video where we will be discussing about the most likely to be asked multiple choice question for the subject environmental studies. Currently we are discussing chapter 1 and this is part 2. We have already done part 1 with 25 questions. If you have not seen that video, do watch that video first. Let us start, friends. Question number 1. Ozone hole is a. Is it option A, hole in atmosphere? Option B, destruction of ozone layer? Option C, hole in hydrosphere? Or option D, hole in earth? And the correct answer is option B, destruction of ozone layer. Second question. The historical monument that is affected by acid rain is option A, Taj Mahal. Option B, Pyramid of Egypt. Option C, Pisa Tower. Option D, Golden Temple. And the correct answer is option A, Taj Mahal. Question number 3. Ozone is formed in the upper atmosphere by a photochemical reaction with option A, ultraviolet solar radiation. Option B, infrared radiation. Option C, visible light. Option D, radio waves. And the correct answer is option A, ultraviolet solar radiation. Fourth question. Which of the following conceptual spheres of the environment is having the least storage capacity for matter? Is it option A, atmosphere? Option B, lithosphere? Option C, hydrosphere? Or option D, biosphere? And the correct answer is option A, atmosphere. Question number 5. Acid rain contains option A, sulfuric acid, option B, hydrochloric acid, option C, oxalic acid, option D, acetic acid. And the correct answer is option A, sulfuric acid. Option Question 6. Environmental education is important only at option A, primary levels, option B, secondary levels, option C, college level, or option D, all levels. And the correct answer is option D, all levels. Question 7. High level radioactive waste can be managed in which of the following ways? Option A, open dumping. Option B, composting. Option C, incineration. Option D, dumping in sealed containers. And the correct answer is option D, dumping in sealed containers. Question 8. Which one of the following is an abiotic component of the ecosystem? Option A, bacteria. Option B, plants. Option C, humus. Option D, fungi. And the correct answer is option C, humus. Question number 9. The production of biogas from waste is included in option A, reuse. Option B, recycle. Option C, reduce. Option D, recover. And the correct answer is option D, recover. Question number 10. The environment which has been modified by human. Option A, natural environment. Option B, anthropogenic environment. Option C, modern environment. Option D, urban environment. And the correct answer is option B, anthropogenic environment. Question number 11. Atmosphere may extend to a height of dash kilometers above the Earth's surface. Option A, 8. Option B, 80. option C 800, option D 8000, and the correct answer is option C 800 kilometers. Question number 12. Which of the following is the correct sequence of 4R principles in waste hierarchy? Is it option A, reduce, reuse, recycle, recover? Option B, recover, recycle, reuse, reduce? Option C, recycle, recover, reuse, reduce? Or option D, reuse, recover, reduce, recycle? And the correct answer is option A, reduce, reuse, recycle, recover. Question number 13. Vanamahotsav is an annual tree planting festival in India celebrated on option A 2nd June, option B 1st July, option C 1st December, or option D 15th September. And the correct answer is option B 1st July. The word Idapic means option A related to water, option B related to soil, option C related to air, or option D related to sun. And the correct answer is option B related to soil. Question number 15. He is known for this Chipko movement. Option A Atal Bihari Vajpayee, option B Anna Hazare, option C Sundar Lal Bahuguna, option D Pandit Nehru. And the correct answer is option C Sundar Lal Bahuguna. Question number 16. The life supporting gases such as oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen are chiefly concentrated in the option A troposphere, option B exosphere, option C homosphere, option D stratosphere. And the correct answer is option A troposphere. Question number 17. Floods can be prevented by option A afforestation, option B removing the topsoil, option C cutting the forest, option D tilling the land. And the correct answer is option A afforestation. Question number 18. The sum total of variety of organisms in the biosphere is called as option A a biotic factor, option B an abiotic factor, option C biodiversity, option D a population. And the correct answer is option C biodiversity. Question number 19. Oxygen is returned to atmosphere mainly by option A respiration, option B photosynthesis, option C fungi, option D burning of fuels. And the correct answer is option B photosynthesis. Question number 20. A system without life. Option A abiotic, option B biotic, option C sustainable, option D organic. And the correct answer is option A abiotic. Question 21. Metals, glass, plastics can be option A recycled, option B refused, option C reduced, option D reformed. And the correct answer is option A recycled. Question number 22. Eco mark of our country is option A earthen pitcher, B water drop, option C sun, option D Ashoka tree. And the correct answer is option A earthen pitcher. Question number 23. Environmental studies does not involve option A psychology, option B demography, option C ethics, or option D literature. The correct answer is option D literature. Question number 24. World Environment Day is on option A 5th June, option B 11th June, option C 5th July, option D 11th July, and the correct answer is option A 5th June. Question number 25. Environmental studies is option A is an interdisciplinary academic field. Option B methodically studies human interaction with environment. Option C includes natural environments and builds and sets relationship between them. Option D all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Option D. These are the 25 questions in the part 2. We have already discussed 25 in part 1. So there are 50 questions from chapter 1, which is environment, for the subject environmental studies. Thank you.